Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of the trinomial square displayed on the screen for x equals negative 2a and z equals to 2b. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for trinomial square, a plus b plus c in parentheses squared. In order for me to use the formula, I need to write the trinomial x minus 9 plus z in parentheses squared as, in square parentheses, x plus negative 9 plus z, closing square parentheses, squared. This way, x corresponds to the a in the formula, negative 9 corresponds to the b in the formula, and z corresponds to the c in the formula. And when I apply the formula, this equals to x squared plus negative 9 squared plus z squared plus 2 times x multiplied by negative 9 plus 2 times x multiplied by z plus 2 times negative 9 multiplied by z. And when I simplify further, this equals to x squared plus 81 plus z squared minus 18x plus 2xz minus 18z. As a next step, I need to substitute x with negative 2a and z with 2b. When I do that, this equals to negative 2a in parentheses squared plus 81 plus 2b in parentheses squared minus 18 minus 2a plus 2 times negative 2a multiplied by 2b minus 18 multiplied by 2b. And when I simplify further, I get 4a squared plus 81 plus 4b squared plus 36a minus 8ab minus 36b. This expression cannot be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.